Hello viewers, just wanted to make a quick video. I'm going to park the Suburban, so I've got the keys right here. We're going to start up this bad boy. What? Where the heck? Oh, it's not a Saab! Whoops. Alright, put that key in there. I've got the big tripod, so it's hard to maneuver this camera. Look at that gauge going crazy. Took a second. Alright. Let's move it. Perfect. Alright. There's footage of me parking the truck. See you guys in the next video. Putting my keys away. And on that note, maybe I should rethink my valet parking career.